Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then, we are back with the results of close-up coins. There is going to be a silver American dollar up for grabs for whoever did actually manage to get the most of these correct. And also we will see what John Camp won from guessing my coin correctly. So we'll move on then with the first one. As you could see, it was a close-up of a face, and this is actually from the Magna Carta £2 coin. Coming up on the screen now, a huge shout out if you did manage to get that one at home. We move on to the next one, a very difficult one indeed. I think I was being a little bit mean with this one, but this is actually from an alphabet coin, and when you see it, you might be kicking yourselves. It is from the Z for Zebra Crossing from 2018 or 2019. Both of those designs were exactly the same. The next one then is another alphabet coin. It is actually the S for Stonehenge. The top rock there was zoomed in, but again, another difficult one. We move on then to the next one, another one that you will see probably quite a lot in circulation. It is from a 50p coin, this one, a Beatrix Potter, and it is the Mr. Jeremy Fisher, good morning to you. Another one then that a lot of people did get correctly, this one quite an easy one. This is actually from the middle of a 5p coin. This design first released back in 2008. Moving on to some more difficult ones, but again, a few people did manage to get this one correctly. And another alphabet coin, it is actually the palm trees at the bottom of the map there from the X for X marks the spot 10p coin. Now, one that a lot of people will probably go, how didn't I get this one right? It is probably quite difficult, but again, it is from the same coin. It was a little bit of a trick question, that one. Number 5 and 7 were actually the same answers. And unbelievably, one person did actually manage to get 6 out of 7 of those correct. The person's name is... It's John Camp. He is actually going to get double prizes. He is going to pick up the silver American dollar, and because he's managed to guess that X correctly, he has also got the 2019 perfect uncirculated X for X marks the spot 10p coin. Everyone give John Camp a huge shout out there in the comment section below. A well-deserved effort. This game will be back this week, but I promise that I will be making it a little bit easier, and we will be back to just 50p coins, all from UK circulation. Have a really nice week, everyone. Hopefully, I'm not quite as tired as I have been over the last couple of days. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.